Don't take more time. Don't take more time. Only 2 minutes time, right? Okay. Just write the answers and you can send me the answer to the WhatsApp or in the chat box. Do the question quickly. Do the question quickly within 2 minutes. You can refer the textbooks if you need. It is based on unit number 1 under the agriculture field. No, agriculture field. Industrial, the biogas. Under the biogas part, you can refer this one. How to produce the biogas by using the microorganisms. I will explain one by one. I will explain the procedure later. I will explain those parts later. Just first of all, try the question. I will explain later. Send me the answers through the WhatsApp or the chat box. In your textbook, you can refer in page number 7. Page number 7. Or in the tute, I think in page number 3 or 4. Those who have the tutes, you can refer page number 7, so page number 3. Those who have the textbook, you can refer the page number 7. So I completed the work. You can send me the answer to the WhatsApp, right? All right, okay. Those who haven't received the tute, I will send you the tute later, okay, through the WhatsApp, right? For the grade 9 students, the tute will be sent through the WhatsApp, okay? All right. Tasmita, you have sent me the answers, right? If it is difficult to type, Pulahal, you can write the answers and send the picture. So within a short period of time, you can send me all the answers now. Okay. If it is difficult to type, write the answers and send it to me through the WhatsApp by the picture. Or you can put the picture in the chat box itself. All right, okay. Very good, Tasmita. Very good, very good. Yeah, well, who is this? Sahel Mallikarachik. And normally I will using English, okay? It will be very, very rare by using Tamil language, okay? Don't worry, yeah? Are you in the class, my dear? Sahel Mallikarachik.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. Right, okay. So Punal start the discussion, okay, because it's take time. The election. Okay. Okay. Done, okay, done. Very good. The election. Very good, my dear. Then Tashmit. Okay. Right, okay. Yeah, in a very big answer. Okay, we'll discuss, right? We'll discuss. Very good. The answer is correct. We'll discuss, right? Okay. You can make the answer more short. Okay, Tashmit. Okay, Puller. Now stop writing, Puller. Stop writing. Stop all the other works. Now I'm going to explain. Okay. Now don't do anything. I have given you more enough time to do this question now. So now stop all the other works and look at the script. Now I'm going to explain the question. Okay. So here, this is the structure of the biogas, right? So this is the structure. This is a real structure, and this is an animated picture to explain, right? So here you can see we are inserting all the waste, right? The cow dung, straw, and water, and other food waste. We can put all those waste into that inlet part. Inlet where we are going to input those materials. Then what will happen, Pulahal? There's a bacteria called Methanococcus bacteria. So that bacteria will react in that food. That means it's going to be consume those food. This Methanococcus bacteria will consume all those food materials and they will produce a byproduct. They will release the product. So that is the gas that produced by those Methanococcus bacteria. These Methanococcus bacteria, they are consuming those food, they are eating those food, and they are releasing a product. They will say a byproduct. So what is the product that they produce? That is methane gas. Yeah, methane gas. Methane. Okay. Okay. Methane gas is called as the biogas. It is known as biogas. So in the biogas, the main constituent of the biogas will be methane gas. I think in our first paper class we had discussed, there was a question like this. What is the main constituent in the biogas? That will be methane gas. Biogas is not methane gas. In the biogas, we will have the methane gas. Did you get that idea, Pulal? So this is a normal structure that produce the how to produce the biogas or methane gas by using these kind of food waste. So here food waste, kitchen waste, straw, cow dung, water, all these material will be input into that part and Methanococcus bacteria will be there. So all those Methanococcus bacteria will consume those food and they will produce the biogas and the methane gas. Right? Look at this picture, Pulal. Here, this is a disadvantage of the biogas. In that question, the previous question that we have discussed in our first paper class, in that question, they have asked this one, what is the advantage, defect or something, right? You know, in the LP gas, LP gas, liquid petrol that you're using in the normally in the kitchen, the cylinder, gas cylinder. So it will produce more heat. It will produce more heat. But the biogas, it cannot produce more amount of heat. So it will take more time to cook by using the methane. We can use this biogas or the methane gas for cooking purposes. But here you can see the color of the flame, right? So it will take more time to cook these by using the biogas. This is a not disadvantage. This is a defect that can be found in the biogas, right? Okay. You want to know all those things, okay? So with that idea, we'll answer those questions. So cow dung, methane gas, natural gas, no harm. Very good, very good. Hikmah Fahim. Very good, my dear. Yes, accurate answer. Very good. And another one has sent me the answers, but it is 100% free. Ah, yes, okay. It is 100% free. Yes, that is also a very important, good thing, right? Okay. Name two materials that can be input from the point A. You know, what are the things Pula that we can input? Cow dung, straw, and water. Okay. And Chalo Faham, yes. Okay. Question number 2. What is the name of the bacteria that is used? What is the name of the bacteria that is used? That is Methanococcus bacteria. What is the name of the bacteria, Pulal? Methanococcus bacteria. Okay. What is the main gas component that accumulate in the storage? What is the gas, Pulal? What is the name of that gas? Can we write biogas? Methane gas, right? Methane gas. Instead of writing methane gas, even you can put like this, CH4 gas. Okay, that is the same formula for the methane. Methane can be written as CH4 gas. Okay, careful. The last one, what is the importance or what are the uses of the fertilizer that produces by the bacteria. You know, Pulal, there's a separate part that producing the fertilizers by using the microorganism, but I haven't put that in the slide because it will take time to explain those things. Try to get the idea, Pulal. When you are producing the fertilizers by using the bacteria and all, for example, just say in your homes and all, you will collect all the leaf and all the other waste materials and you will dump into the soil, right? So you will dump all those materials into the soil, and automatically after 3 or 4 weeks it will be decomposed by the microorganisms and you will get the fertilizer. Then no, you normally in our generation you are not doing those things. Okay, your grandmothers and your grandfathers, they may doing those things. They will collect all the leaf materials, they will dump into one place, and after 2 or 3 weeks they will collect all those things and they will put into the plants. Well, just look at here, Bilal. When you are buying the fertilizer from the shop, it may contain chemicals and harmful substances, right? But when you are using the fertilizer in your home by using the waste product, it is 100% pure, right? There will be no any chemicals, there will be no any other harmful substances. Eco-friendly or environmental friendly, and improve the soil fertility for a long time, not a short period of time. But these questions, Pulahal, these are practical questions. There is no need to memorize. Just think practically and try to find the answer. Okay. Eco-friendly, environment friendly. There will be no harmful substances mixing with the soil. So like that, you can write these. Right, you can write the answer for this question practically. There's no need to go deeper and deeper. Okay. Tasmita, you have sent me the very big answer, but there's no need to write that much deeper. A short answer is enough for this question, right? Okay. So can you raise your hand, those who got the idea, Pulav? Can you raise your hand? Those who got the idea regarding the production of the biogas. Can you raise your hand, Pulav? Those who got the idea. Okay. Uh, anyone, do you have doubt, Pulav? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Right? I don't know you and you don't know me, right? So you can ask any doubt that you have without any hesitation. If you have any doubt, ask me without any hesitation. There will be no any issues. Right, okay. What about Asma, Faham, Khalik, Hanfa, Joel? And Joel, tomorrow you'll have the exam, right? Okay, right. So we'll move to the next part. If you have any doubt, just ask me, right? Okay. Now we are going to discuss our second question. The same from the microorganisms. Same like the previous one. Same like the previous one. For this question, I gave you 2 minutes and I discuss the question, right? Same like that for this question, I will give you 2 minutes time. 2 minutes time. You can refer your textbook. Please, all of you, please try to answer the question. Okay, write all the answers and send it to me. Try first of all. You can refer the textbook. You have the textbook in your hand. Refer the textbook. Read the textbook. Then automatically you will learn more things. When you are reading the textbook, automatically you will learn more things. Okay. So do this question by referring the textbook. It's okay. Perfectly fine. If you don't know the answer, refer the textbook and send me the answers. Okay. The answer is in your page number 5 in your textbook, right? In the tube, you can refer page number 5 or page number 4. In the textbook, you can refer page number 5 for the anti vaccines and the antibiotics. Don't take more time, Bilal. You can send me the answer to the chat box or the WhatsApp. You can send me the picture or you can type the answer, whatever you wish, you can do. But you want to send me the answer. All of the students, please send me the answers. And today, I think you can feel a small difference in my voice because I have a throat pain, right? Okay. So I adjust my voice. Okay, it seems to be like an old engine, right? So I'm very sorry for that. You have sent me the answers, right? Yeah, right. Okay. Answers are correct, right? Okay. If it is difficult to type, you can send me the answer by writing and you can send me the pictures, right? Normally, this generation, you are very familiar with the typing, right? You are very lazy to try write, right? Okay, done, very good. And I think you have, okay, done. Joel, very good, right? Okay, very good. Tashmita, yes. Is Zikra in the class, my dear? Zikra, Zikra always. Joel, Hanfa, okay. Okay, very good. Very good. Done, done, done. Okay. But only 1 minute more, right? Please make it quick, Parag, because within 1 hour we want to discuss more number of questions, right? So, Tasmita, yes, right. Okay. Now we'll start the lesson, right? Okay. We'll discuss the questions because it's taking more time, right? Okay. So fungi and bacteria, election, right? Okay, okay. Fungi and bacteria, Hanfa, right? Okay. Yeah, why, Bula? Only some of you only sending the answer. What about others? Halik, Fahim, and Khalid. Okay, Khalid. Okay, Mariam. There are two Mariam, right? Okay, one Flower Mariam and Musma Mariam. So both Mariam, you are not sending the answers, and Zikra, Zainab, and Tejas, Samsung Galaxy A14. Okay. Yeah, okay, we'll discuss the answers below. Okay. Now stop writing, Bula. Stop writing. Stop all the other works. Now I'm going to explain. Okay, for 15 minutes. Okay. Now don't do anything. Just keep it with you, right? Okay. There's another answer here. Made up of. Okay, okay, okay. Hanpa, Hanpa. Right? Okay, okay, okay. Now stop writing and doing other works. Listen to me, right? Okay. First part, producing the antibiotic regarding the microorganisms under the medicine field. Okay. Producing antibiotic means antibiotics are the chemicals produced by the microorganism and they will kill another microorganism. For example, just say here, it is a kind of fungus. Okay. It is a kind of fungus called penicillium, right? So that penicillium fungus will produce us the penicillin. Penicillium is a fungus. It is a microorganism. It will produce us the penicillin medicine. So this is the medicine, that penicillin. It is called as antibiotics. It is produced by microorganism. That part is okay, done. What is the purpose of this one, Pulan? The purpose of this is they will kill the bacteria. Did you get the idea? What is the antibiotic doing here? They will be produced by the microorganisms and they will kill another microorganism. A very best example that is penicillin. Penicillin is a medicine. This is a medicine. This is an antibiotic. Produced by whom? Produced by whom? Produced by the fungus. And what they will do, Pulahal? What is the function of this medicine? They will kill the bacteria. Now read the definition. Antibiotics are the chemicals produced by the microorganisms to destroy other microorganisms. Did you get the idea? What is the function of the antibiotics? Antibiotics mean they are produced by the microorganisms and they will kill another microorganism. This is a basic idea of the antibiotic. So here, bacteria and fungus are used to produce the antibiotics, and these antibiotics cannot be used against the virus. We can't kill the virus by using the antibiotics. Normally, there will be no medicine for the diseases which are caused by the virus. Sorry. Normally, there are no medicine for the diseases that are caused by the viruses, right? These bacteria and fungus, they are the one who are responsible to produce antibiotics. By using the antibiotics, we can kill only the bacteria and the fungus. We can't kill virus by using the antibiotics. Okay. And you want to memorize these examples. What are the medicines? What are the antibiotics that can be used against the bacteria? And what are the antibiotics that can be used regarding the fungus? Amoxicillin. You may have consumed these medicine during if you have wounds and cuts in your body, right? So this amoxicillin medicine is working against the bacteria. Penicillin, amoxicillin, tetracycline, erythromycin. So these antibiotics are working against the bacteria produced by the fungus. Here you may remember that, alright? Penicillin is a medicine produced by the fungus and they act against the bacteria. Now you know what is antibiotics and what is the function of the antibiotics, and you know what are the group that cannot be killed by the antibiotics. The viruses cannot be killed by the antibiotics, right? Okay. With that idea, we'll answer the question. You know, what are antibiotics, Pulahal? Antibiotics means, you know the definition, right? The chemicals that are produced by the microorganisms to kill or to destroy another microorganism. Okay, now you know the definition for the first one. Which group of microorganisms cannot be killed by the antibiotics? You know the answer. That is virus. Second, third one. Write two groups that are used to produce the antibiotics. You know, bacteria and fungus will be used to kill the, only you want to know only this slide, right? Am I right or wrong? If you know the thing that has been included in this slide, you can answer all these questions. Okay, so bacteria and fungus, and name two substances used as vaccines. Okay, now we'll discuss regarding the vaccines. That is also comes under medicinal part under the microorganisms. In the medicine field, how we are using the microorganisms. Okay, producing the vaccines. Well, normally during the corona period, I think you were in grade 6 or 7. Okay. So at that time, we were inserting a vaccine against the corona. And even when you are small ages, you are inserting the vaccine against the polio, and you are inserting the vaccines during that when the dogs or other animals, when they're biting, you're inserting the vaccines. So do you know, Pulahal, what is included in that vaccine? What is inside the vaccine, Pulahal? The vaccines will consume the microorganism which causing the disease. You may have been shocked, right? What we are inserting the microorganism into our body? Yes, exactly, yes. For example, just say for the polio, we are inserting the polio virus into our body. Then you may think, sir, when we are inserting the polio virus into the body, we will have the polio disease, right? That will not happen because we are going to make the polio virus weak. We are going to make the polio virus weak and we are going to insert into our body. Now what will happen, Pulahal? Our human body, our immunity system will fight against that polio virus. So automatically what will happen? Our body will have an experience by fighting the polio virus. Am I right or not? When you are in small ages, they were inserting the polio virus into our body. So what will happen? Our body will fight against the polio virus, and our body will have a very good experience in fighting against the bacteria, that polio virus. So when the polio virus again, when they are entering into our body, when the polio virus is entering into our body again, right, when the polio virus enter into our body again, what happened? Our body will fight them very well because already they have an experience by fighting the polio virus. Did you get that idea how the vaccine is working here? So inside the vaccine's pull, we are inserting the microorganisms into our body. And we'll discuss another example. Okay, we have the tuberculosis. When we are inserting the tuberculosis vaccine into our body, that vaccine will have the bacteria which is causing the tuberculosis. But when we are inserting the tuberculosis vaccine, we will never have the disease. Even that vaccine have that disease, that bacteria which causes the tuberculosis will be included in the tuberculosis vaccine. But when we are inserting, nothing will happen to our body. Our body will fight against the tuberculosis because already it is weakened. No? It is not that much active. It has been weakened. So, but what will happen at the age of 30 or 40? When that bacteria enter into our body, nothing will happen not to our body because our body will have an experience. Our body will have an experience. Already we have prepared for that fight. We have, because we have that immune system. Then what will happen? Our body will fight against that tuberculosis and our body will be protected. Did you get that idea about how the vaccine is working? Can you raise your hand those who have any doubts? Can you raise your hand those who have doubts regarding the virus? So regarding virus, regarding the vaccines. Those who want to explain once again. Selection, do you have a doubt, my dear? Selection. Well, if you have a doubt, you can ask me. Put in the chat box. Yes, sir, it is not clear. Okay, okay, okay. Look at the skin below. Look at the skin. Look at the. I will explain by using the corona, right? Okay. Okay, okay. I will explain. Don't worry. Okay. I will explain by using the corona. Right? Here in the vaccine, in the corona vaccine, we will have the coronavirus. Corona, a virus will be there. Then you may ask, sir, when we are inserting the coronavirus into our body will have the corona, that COVID-19 disease. You may have a doubt like that, right? But actually, that will not happen because in that vaccine, we will have the virus, okay. But that is not that much active. We have make it weak. We have make it totally weak and we are going to insert into our body. Now what will happen, Pulahal? When that coronavirus enter into our body, what will happen? Our body will fight against that corona. Our immunity system will fight. So now what will happen? Our body will never have that coronavirus. Okay. At the age of, it is happening at the age of, for example, we say, Pulal, turn off the mic, Pulal, please. Okay. We'll say this is happening at the age of 8. When you're grade 8, at the age of 8, you are inserting the coronavirus, then the body will fight and you will be protected. Okay. Now when you are growing up, at the age of 80, the coronavirus enter into your body. For example, just say, when you are becoming 80, there was another pandemic here and the coronavirus enter into your body. Nothing will happen to your body. You may ask, why, sir? Why don't we have any kind of issue at the age of 80? Because at the age of 8, you have inserted the corona vaccine. So already the body has been protected by the vaccine because your body have an experience by fighting against that virus. When they are inserting the virus into a body, the body has fight against that virus. So your body have an experience. So that experience will help you at the age of 80. Did you get that idea? At the age of 8, you insert the coronavirus, and then your body fight against that virus, and your body have an experience. How can I kill that virus? Your body have a clean idea. How can I fight against that virus? And at the age of 80, when you have that disease, then your body have an experience. How can I kill that virus? This is the way that how these vaccines works. Did you get that idea, Bilal? The election, is it clear, or shall I explain once again? What about others, Bilal? Is it clear, my dear? Is it clear how the vaccine is created? Right, okay. Now we'll move to the question, right? Okay. What are antibiotics? You know, what are antibiotics? Right? Antibiotics means, oh no, already we discussed those questions. Right? Sorry. Name 2 substances that are used as vaccines. Here, weakened microorganisms can be used as vaccine. Now, one I explained, even we can insert the killed microorganisms. Second example, and third example, and fourth example. We can use these 4 types as a vaccine. Killed or weakened. We can write only these 2 things, right? I think you may have idea, right, regarding the weakened and killed. Okay. And now, question number 5. How the hepatitis B vaccine is formed? Okay. Please memorize this chart, these examples. Here, hepatitis B here. Hepatitis B is created by genetically engineered parts. Okay. Genetically engineered parts. Memorize this chart, how the vaccine is working and how the vaccine is produced. It can be produced by killed microorganisms, weakened microorganisms, even we can genetically modify that one and we can create the vaccines. And next one, explain the difference between the toxin and antitoxin. Okay. Now I'm going to explain what is toxin and what is antitoxin, right? So this question is totally based on that medicine field, in that microorganism part. Okay. Toxin. Here, I'll try to get that idea. Here you may have seen these kind of nails, right? It has been rusted. So in that nails, there is a microorganisms called, right here, there's no need to memorize this name, right? Clostridium tetanibacteria in that nail, right? When the nail has been rusted, these bacteria can be found in that nail. So when that nail enter into your body, if that cause any damages to your skin, what will happen? That bacteria will enter into your body. Now what will happen, Pulahal? That bacteria, when that bacteria enter into our body, that bacteria will produce a toxin. That toxin will affect the nervous system. Just say here, there's a wound, so that has been created by the nail. So when the nail damage our skin, the bacteria has been enter into the body. Now that bacteria will produce as the toxin or a nanja produce pannum. That toxin will affect the nervous system. So now what will happen, Pulahal? All the muscles in our body will be locked. We cannot move our hand and the legs. Look at this diagram here, Pulahal. All the muscles has been locked because of that toxin that created by the bacteria, tetanus bacteria. Did you get the idea what is toxin? In that nail we will have the bacteria. That bacteria will produce as a toxin. That toxin will affect the nervous system, and our nervous system will be affected and our muscle will be locked. So this is a kind of issue, right? So how can I treat this disease? Now I'm going to insert the antitoxin in the body. Antitoxin means that is produced against the toxin. We have the toxin here. So by learning the structure of the toxin, now I'm going to create the antitoxin. Now I'm going to produce the antitoxin by learning the toxin. Now I'm going to take the toxin and I'm going to learn regarding the toxin, how it is working, how it is making the disease. By learning that one, I am going to produce the antitoxin. Now when I am entering the antitoxin in the body, that antitoxin will make the toxin neutral. Did you get that idea, Pula? Antitoxin is there, and toxin, for the toxin we want a solution for that one. So antitoxin is a solution for that toxin. Okay. Now we'll discuss the definition, right? So antitoxins are made by modifying the toxins to remove their harm. So when the toxin enter into our body, we will insert the antitoxin. Already we have prepared the antitoxin. It will be found in the hospitals. So they will insert the antitoxin. That antitoxin will make the toxin balance. Did you get that idea over here? Antitoxin helps to protect our body from the toxin. So did you get that idea? Toxin is produced by the microorganisms which causes the harmful to our body. Antitoxin is a solution that produced by the help of toxin. Did you get that idea? By modifying the toxin, we have created the antitoxin. That antitoxin will help us from the toxins. Did you get that idea? Can you raise your hand? Those who have doubts in the toxin and the antitoxin? Can you raise your hand? In the theory class, we have explained in a deep manner. Now we don't have that much of time. That's why I explain in a very quickly. Can you raise your hand, Mullah? Those who didn't get the idea. Can you raise your those who got the idea? Can you raise your those who got the idea? Well, if you have any issues or if you have any doubts, please ask. Right? Little complicated. No, there's nothing to be complicated, man. Listen. Toxin is produced by the bacteria. It is harmful to our body. It will affect our body system. It will affect our body. Toxin will affect our body. Now what will happen? Now what will happen? The body will be locked or body will be affected by the toxin. Now in the hospital we will have the antitoxin. It is a medicine. So we will take the antitoxin, we will insert into our body. Now what will happen? Our body will be cured. Antitoxin is there in the hospital. I said that, right? To produce that antitoxin, we need the toxin, because without knowing the toxin, without the idea of the toxin, can I produce the antitoxin? No, right? If there is a disease that created by the toxin, we must have an idea regarding that toxin, right? So they will learn regarding the toxin and they will produce the antitoxin. Toxin is the disease factor, antitoxin is the medicine. That is a simple idea. Dilaction, did you get the idea, my dear? Toxin is the factor which causes the disease, antitoxin is the medicine. But to produce the antitoxin, we need the toxin, because without the idea about the disease, can we produce the medicine? No, right? We want to produce the medicine, we need the idea of the toxin, right? Okay. Now we'll move to the next question regarding the ear. The inner ear, outer ear, mid ear, those part, right? Okay. Write the answer. Send me the answers to the WhatsApp. Again, to only 2 minutes time. Okay, only 2 minutes time. Right? Only 2 minutes time. Send me the answers. Rahuna Rahmat. You have sent me the answer, but now only I received your message. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Mahal, you have sent me the answers that by East cells. That is wrong, right? Okay. But all the other answers are correct. Very good. And Zikra voice. Has sent me a very big answer, right? Okay. okay, it's okay. And Zahib Mohideen. Okay, done. Right. And Dilakshan, you have sent me the pictures. Okay. Kashmir. Yeah, very good. No, no. But the okay, okay. So, yeah, yeah, very good. What is the answer for the third one? What is the answer for the third one? And Dilakshan, okay. Which part of the ear does not contribute for the hearing? Okay, Pula, read the question very carefully, my dear. Performed by the sea. Pulahal, Dilakshan. You have mixed the functions, Pulahal. Just check the answer, my dear. Just check the answer, my dear, please. And Pulahal, all of the others, please send me the answers. Zainab. Zainab. நம்ம டைப் பண்றீங்க சரியா அது நான் மூணு மெசேஜ் டீல் பண்ணிக்கிறீங்க சரி பரவாயில்ல ஓகே வெரி குட் தஸ்மிதா வெரி குட் always. And third one, which of the part of the ear does not contribute? Obey Zikra, check the answer, maybe all the other answers are correct. But third one is wrong. Check the answer, maybe. Okay, Tashmita, very good, my dears. Okay. So shall I discuss the answers, Bilal? Okay, in the chat box, he has sent me the answers, right? Uh, right. Dilakshan. Here, second one and third one. Second one and third one. Zahir Mahir, yes, very good. Okay, very good. Then for the second one and third one, check the answer, my dear. Send me the answers quickly. Zahir Mahir, very good, eh? And Zainab 28. Zainab. Zainab, check the answer for the third one, my dear. Okay, Bunal, now stop writing, please. Stop writing, please. Now I'm going to explain regarding the year, okay? Stop writing, please. Don't write anything, okay? Okay. Zahir, very good, yes. Okay. Bunal, stop writing for a while, please. Now I'm going to explain regarding the year, right? Okay. This is a structure of the ear, right? Okay. So in the ear, you know, the outer ear is there, and the middle ear is there, inner ear is there, right? Okay. So in the inner ear, we have three structures that is we'll discuss one by one. Here in the inner ear, we will have the cochlea, a snail shell-like structure, and here we will have semicircular canals, right? Semicircle, half circle structures are there, right? Semicircular canals are there. And third one, auditory nerve, that nerve that brings the messages from your ear to the brain. Okay, now look at this picture here. Look at this picture. Magnified picture is there. Cochlea is there, the green color one. This is auditory nerve, and this is semicircular canals. Well, listen here, Bilal. This cochlea will help for the hearing purpose. It helps. In the cochlea only we have the nerves that are responsible to audible, right? Okay. To hearing purposes, to listen a sound, we have the nerve cell in the cochlea. An auditory nerve that is the one who is responsible to pass the message from the ear to the brain. Semicircular canals, that is not related to the hearing part. That semicircular canal is the organ who responsible to maintain the body balance. When you are walking, you will be walking without falling, right? Even when you are walking in a small narrow edge, what will happen? You will be moving your hand like this, and you will be moving. Am I right or not? ஒரு சின்ன லைன்ல நடக்க போகிட்டு when you are moving in at the small line for example, if there is any கட்டில நீங்க நடக்க போக நீங்க எப்படி நடப்பீங்க? அது உள்ள போகல இப்படி ஒட்டோ அப்படி இப்படி பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணுவீங்களா இல்ல? So these balancing cases, all these cases are done by semicircular canals. Body balance, maintaining the body balance. When you're falling down, automatically without your knowledge, your hand will be moving backward. Am I right or no? When you're falling down, automatically your body will. So these kind of body balancing scenes are controlled by the semicircular canals. Okay. So semicircular canals, that is not the one who responsible for the hearing purposes. Semicircular canal is there to maintain the body balance, right? Okay, asthma answer through the image. Okay. Hikma for him. ஏவாப்பா கஷ்டப்படுத்துறீங்க? Don't make the question hard, my dear. Yeah, send me the answers. Who stage and you know? Hey, Mahal, don't be confused, my dear. Look at the screen, please. Look at the screen, please. Okay. Here, wait a minute. Okay. Look at these two pictures, please. Okay. Look at these two pictures. In the question, they are asking what is A? That is ossicles. There are 3 bones, ossicles. And here B, that is semicircular canals, that half circle structure. And C, that is auditory nerve, and D, that is cochlea. Okay, so this is stage and okay, my dear, hikma fine. And asthma, we'll check the answer. And cochlea, auditory nerve. Okay, fine. So here, now you know the name of those parts, right? Okay. And second question, that is regarding the function of the C. Function of the C, passing the sound wave from the brain, ear to the brain. And third one, that is state the part of the ear does not contribute the hearing. You know, the B is the one that is not contributing hearing. It will help, sir. Is not the middle long tube that. Oh yes, this is stage and yes, this is the one stage and okay. Right. So that is semicircular canals. Okay, what deluxe and did you get the idea, my dear? This is stage name, right? This one. Right, okay. So I hope that you may have got the idea regarding the ear, right? Okay. Now we'll discuss another question is there regarding the pressure. Right, okay. Do this question, sir. Then the other team. Which team that you are asking? Wait a minute. The election. Which tube that I asked, my dear? Hey, we have only one tube, my dear. Ah, yes, this one. Yes, my dear. This is stage and yes. Nathan Solinis. Okay, the election. Ah, that is not stage and tube, my dear. That is auditory canal. This is auditory canal. Okay, that is auditory canal. Auditory canal. Okay, but in this question, I explain only regarding the inner ear because this question is based on this inner ear. Inshallah, we'll discuss in our next class. We'll discuss regarding the outer ear and the middle ear. Okay. Today we have discussed regarding only the inner ear because this question is based on the inner ear. No. Fine. Okay. Now, Pulal, do this question. Do this question and send me the answer through the WhatsApp. Right. Take a screenshot, Pulal. Take a screenshot of this question. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of this question and send the answer to the WhatsApp, right? Okay. today itself, now itself, because I have another class at 8:30. So I want to conclude the class now. So do this question. Okay. Okay. Now we'll conclude the class, Pulal. Pulal, do you have any doubts to ask? Do you have any doubts to ask, Pulal? Anyone? No. What about others, Pulal? Do you have any doubts? Mariam. Salang Mariam. Yes. Okay. So we'll conclude the class plan. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika shalla la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and good night. Have a nice day. We'll meet in our next class.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.